I should put what? Oui.
What fucking language is that? French?
The one that you fucking do?
Vovon, zipetui, allez, fofo, So, Mel with a yo-yo. Sorry, I got my camera too low there. I'm looking at Mel, not at the side screen of this camera. So Mel with a crux yo-yo, with LED lights. Brilliant tricks, Mel. What's that, UFO?
What? Hello.
There's Max. Hello.
And the sweet.
Hello.
And Frederick. And ha.
I'm expecting a hobbit or one of the borrowers to walk across that stream. GBH or ABH?
What's GBH?
Grievous bodily harm. ABH is actual bodily harm. So I don't know why there's G for grievous bodily harm. Basically, you've had both of them done to you. You know, the police are involved and they did fuck all. I can't mention any names in this. What's up, Max? Okay, buddy. Yeah. Come on then, Mal.
What the hell are you doing?
More yo-yo, so-called tricks.
Is Moira still out there? Yeah, she's looking for you. Good, don't you know?
Oh, I love that one. Are you going to be on TV doing it? Oh, Mel. It's going to be on YouTube, you muppet. Do you have a name for that one?
The between your legs one.
Ah. Very technical, that name. I get it. What about the pad swing? Mel?
Yeah.
What about calling it the pad swing? The pads wing. Where you go left and then right. I wonder how many people get that. Yeah, I picked this yo-yo up in a local shop. I just thought, if it has a crux mechanism, let's do the stuff that I used to do in school. Mark Byrne, are you watching this? I fucking damn well hope so. Because this is about the yo-yo fad when we were in school. Look on your face, man. Can you do Walk the Line? Also known as Johnny Cash.
What's that one?
Oh wow, I love that one.
And the dog what?
Max is getting jealous. Why does it always have to end up between your legs? Your knees will get bruised, you know. Yeah, your hair looks brown on the side screen of this to me. But apparently she's dyeing her hair again tomorrow. Black. Which I'm not really a fan of, whatever. But her choice. Oh. I've just seen the LEDs, whatever they're off camera. Yeah, this whole flat will be completely tidy tomorrow. I'll just move some things out of the way. We have way too much stuff. Most things in this room are mine. So, in the bedroom is mostly Mel's stuff. And in our cupboards, there are... Go on, Mel. Go on, Mel, do something else funny. Or just be yourself. That's funny enough. Yeah, like I was saying... What the fuck? Like I was saying, in the cupboards are a mix of mine and Mel's things.
Au revoir. And aujourd'hui.
Is it between... Ow! Fucking hit me too. You seen that, Max? I almost called him Mel again, like Max. Relax.
Relax.
Want to say goodbye to YouTubers?
Goodbye, YouTube.